Tired of snoring ruining your sleep? You're not alone. Millions of couples struggle with sleepless nights, thanks to one noisy nose. But now there's a solution so small it fits in your pocket, and powerful enough to silence even the loudest snore. Introducing the magnetic anti-snore nose ring. This tiny device uses soft magnetic pressure to gently open your nasal passages, improving airflow instantly. No batteries, no wires, no hassle, just better breathing and better sleep. Whether you're the snorer or the one suffering next to one, this simple fix can change your nights completely. Thousands have already made the switch, and now it's your turn.